Now human individual objective. In second part, human individual objective. There are few objective of the human. Human or individual objective are related to the employee of the organization. Employees are the valuable resource of the contributing significant of the success in the business. Human himself as a resource. So it create employment in the organization. So employee are the valuable resource who contribute the significant of the success in the business, and to get a maximum form of employees and to keep the employee motivated. The businessman must take care of this their employee by the pursuing the individual objectives. And the common individual objective are: first, providing good working condition. Okay, first point, providing good working condition. It is individual objective. When employees work in any companies in the industry, so it is the first individual providing good working condition for their employees. Second, payment of the competitive and satisfactory wages and salary. Competitive and satisfactory wages and salaries. Okay, first point already we discussed, providing good working conditions for their employees. Second point is the payment of competitive and satisfactory wages and salary. Means those who work in the company. So wages, either the salary should be provided them satisfactory. Means according to needs. Suppose he needed 5,000, so according to his needs, salary should be provided to him according to their needs. And competitive means, suppose A industry is provided their employee to 10,000 per month, so B should be also provided approximately 10, either 12, approximately 10,000. Okay, it should not be A provided and their employees 10,000 and B providing their 5,000. So it should not be. Now next, third point, personal growth and development of employee. Personal growth and development means of the employee by imparting training employees and keep underdating their knowledge. Means a businessman should be keep in their mind. Means their growth and development should be employees by that imparting their training. Training should be given to their employees to time, so they can develop their skill and talent, and they can update their knowledge. Fourth point, okay, peer recognition and respect by encouraging employees. Respect. It means peer recognition, respect by encouraging employee to take initiative and participating in decision making. Means respected those who working in their company, so the employees should be respected by the by encouraging employees to take initiative, participating in the decision making. ताकि वो भी सही तौर पे पार्टिसिपेट करे, ताकि एक जो फर्म का ऑनर है वो सही तौर पे डिसीजन ले पाए. नाउ फिफ्थ पॉइंट, providing special benefit means providing special benefits such as housing facility, medical facility, free education children. Such type of a facility provide by the businessman to their employees, so they can doing good work for the company, for the they provide their devotion to the company to achieve their objective. Employ their facility just like a housing, medical, free education for children, etc. Such type of facility provide by the businessmen for their employees to achieve their objective easily. Business objective. Okay, already we studied business objective, but once again we will revise. Business objectives. First, economic survival, profit or growth. Now social objective. First, supply of desire, quality of products. Second, avoiding unfair trade. Third, employment generation. Next, community service. And last, avoiding pollution. Then third, this is economic, social, and third, individual objective. Now individual objective, study about this one. Good working condition. Second, competitive. Salary, personal growth. Then last, special benefit. Okay, this is the main points. Business objective, first economic, social, and individual objective we study in this topic. Now, role of property in the business. What is the role